Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, big up yourself. You reached the right place, trust me. Today, I gonna take you on a journey. Not just any journey, a real, authentic, roots level Jamaican experience. We're talking about the Riverside. And if you ever come to Jamaica, whether you come from foreign, whether you're flying from America, England, Canada, anywhere in the world, listen to me good now. This right here is what you must do. This is not optional. This is a requirement. So settle in, grab something to eat, and let me talk to you like family, because that's what we do in Jamaica. We talk real. So picture this. You land in Jamaica. The sun hot, the breeze sweet. The vibes already different from anywhere else on earth. You feel it the moment you step off that plane. Something in the air, something in the energy that just say, welcome home. No, the first thing most tourists them do, them go straight to the hotel, sit by the pool, order from the menu, and look, that's fine, that's nice, but that is not the Jamaican experience, my friend. That is a postcard, that is a screensaver. If you want the real Jamaica, you need to link up with South Jamaica. You need to move with the people them, because it's the people that make this place what it is. The laughter, the cooking, the storytelling, that's where the soul of Jamaica lives. So what you do is you team up, you find your people, whether it's family, whether it's friends, whether it's new people you just meet, and you make your way down to the Riverside. No, when me say Riverside, me not talking about some fancy resort waterfront. Me talking about the real river, the one where the water run clear and cold, where the stones smooth under your feet, where the trees hang over and give you shade, and the sound of the water just wash away every stress, every worry, every problem you carry from back home. You reach down there and you feel it immediately. Your shoulders drop, your mind quiet, you breathe different. That's the power of the Jamaican Riverside. And here's the thing, no, you don't come empty-handed, no. You come prepared. You stop at the market, you pick up your supplies, and then the real fun begin. Now, this is what people travel from all over the world and still miss out on. The food, the Riverside cooking. There is nothing like it on this earth. You set up your dutchie pot, you get your fire going, and me tell you now, when that smoke start rise and that smell start travel through the air, every soul within half a mile knows something special a gwan. First thing, the dumpling. Cut dumpling, boiled dumpling, fried dumpling, whatever your heart desire. Me personally love a good cut dumpling, thick and fluffy, cook slow in the pot until it's firm and perfect. You bite into that by the riverside with the sound of the water running, pure bliss, pure heaven. Then we talk about roast pork. Oh, don't let me start on the roast pork. Seasoned up proper. The garlic, the scotch bonnet, the thyme, the allspice. And you roast it slow over the fire until the skin crack and the inside tender and juicy. You cut a piece of that and eat it with your hands right there by the river. That's not just eating. That's a spiritual experience. Festival. You have to have festival. For those who don't know, festival is a sweet fried dumpling, golden, slightly crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, with a little sweetness that balance out the savory food them. It's not optional. If you're cooking by the riverside and you don't have festival, you're doing something wrong. Fried chicken. Jamaican fried chicken is in a category by itself. Seasoned from the night before, marinated deep. When you put that in the hot oil and it starts sizzle and pop, that sound is music. That is the soundtrack of a good day. Crispy outside, flavorful all the way through. Foreign fried chicken cannot compare. I said what I said. Curry goat. Now we're reaching the top of the mountain. Curry goat is not just food, it's a statement. It tells people that today is a serious day. You take your time with curry goat. You can't rush it. The meat has to fall off the bone. The curry has to soak through. You cook it low and slow with the potato them until everything come together in perfect harmony. You eat that with some white rice or some roti by the riverside. Done. Life complete. And then, curry chicken for those who want something a little lighter. But don't be fooled, it's just as flavorful, just as rich, just as satisfying. Jamaican curry chicken with the scotch barrett and the thyme and the coconut milk, that pot will be empty before you know it. But here's the thing that people who never experience it don't understand. The food is only half of it. The other half is the atmosphere. You're sitting by the river, the water run and bubble, children laughing and splashing in the shallows. Somebody have a speaker going with some good music, could be reggae, could be dancehall, could be some old school rocksteady, depending on the crowd. The elders sitting under the tree, talking, laughing, telling stories. Somebody always cracking a joke, somebody always arguing about whose curry goat tastes better. Somebody always coming to check the pot before it's ready and getting the hands slapped away. And the smell, Lord of mercy, the smell of everything cooking together, mixing with the fresh river air and the wood smoke, you cannot bottle that. You cannot recreate that in any restaurant, in any 5-star hotel, anywhere in the world. That is exclusive to this moment, this place, this experience. So, me want talk directly to everybody watching this who are planned for come to Jamaica or who already booked the trip. When you come here, and me hope you come, please don't limit yourself to the tourist spots alone. Don't just stay on the resort strip. Come find us. Come eat with us. Come sit by the river with us. Because that is where you will understand why Jamaican people so proud of where them come from. That is where you will understand the warmth, the spirit, the culture that make this little island known across the entire world. We small in size, but we massive in culture, massive in flavor, massive in heart. The Riverside is not just a location, it's a feeling, it's a way of life. It's the Jamaican way of saying, slow down, enjoy yourself, be present, be grateful, eat good food, laugh loud, and love the people around you. So, that's what me have to tell you today. If you travel from abroad, link up, go to the riverside, cook your food, enjoy your day. Cut your dumpling, season your curry goat, fry your chicken, make your festival, and just live. Because at the end of the day, that's what Jamaica teach you, how to live. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment, tell me where you're watching from. Me love to hear from people all over the world. And subscribe if you're new, because we have plenty more real Jamaican vibes coming your way. Me name is your host, and from the beautiful island of Jamaica, one love, respect, and eat good.